Hey everyone, it's Akos here from Flow. Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, I got something really small for you. No, not that one. This is the TRIBIT PocketGo, and yeah, this might actually be the smallest speaker I've ever tested in a while. But the interesting part is, it's not just small, it's got a proper driver, long battery, waterproof, and it even floats. So I was thinking, is it actually useful, or just one of those gimmicky tiny speakers? Let's find out. Let's go. Alright, unboxing. The box is pretty simple, nothing crazy here. You get the speaker, USB-C cable, manuals, and that's pretty much it. But to be honest, this type of product, it's not about unboxing anyway, it's about how it feels when you actually use it. And first thing is the size. This thing is tiny, like properly pocket-sized. You can literally just grab it, throw it in your bag or even your jacket pocket and forget it's there. But what I like is, even though it's small, it doesn't feel cheap. It's got this solid, slightly rubberized feel, so you know it can take a bit of abuse. And that's kind of the whole idea here. It's fully waterproof, dustproof, and even drop resistant. So if you drop it or use it in the shower or outside, you don't need to worry. And yeah, the floating thing is actually real. You throw it in the water, it just stays there, playing music, which is actually pretty cool for like pool or beach days. Now let's speak about the features. Inside you've got a 45mm driver pushing around 7 watts, and for something this small, that's honestly decent. Battery is probably one of the best parts. It's got a 2400 mAh battery, rated around 20 hours, and from my use, yeah, it lasts. I've been using it on and off for a few days and didn't really think about charging it. Connection is quick as well. It's running Bluetooth 6.0, so pairing is instant, connection is stable, no dropouts or anything weird. And there are a few extra things actually I didn't expect. Like you can load music onto a TF card and play it directly from the speaker, no phone needed. Also supports AAC and SBC, so it works nicely whether you're on iPhone or Android. And there's an app as well, nothing crazy, but you can adjust the EQ a bit, which actually helps depending on what you are listening to. But honestly, this kind of speaker, it's not about the specs. It's about how easy it is to use. And that's where this thing shines. I've been using around the house, in the shower, even just outside for a bit. And because it's so small, you don't even think about it. You just grab it and go. That's the difference compared to bigger speakers. Those you plan to use, this one just naturally pick up. Now the sound, and let's be real. At normal volume, it's actually nice. Voices are clear, music sounds clean, nothing harsh. Perfect for podcast, YouTube, casual listening. But yeah, if you push it louder, you start to notice the limits. Bass is quite light and it can lose a bit of clarity at max volume. But honestly, that's expected. This is a small 7-watt speaker, it's not trying to be a big room or party speaker. And if you tweak the EQ in the up a bit, you can actually get slightly better results. And the battery, like I said, it's really solid. Charging is USB-C, takes a few hours, nothing special, but it's fine. Bluetooth has been super reliable for me as well, just connects instantly every time. So you can wondering who is it for actually? Yeah, this isn't something you buy for power. This is more like something you always carry, something you don't worry about damaging, or something quick and convenient. And for that, it actually makes a lot of sense. Okay, so let's see the pros and the cons. The good stuff, it's super compact, easy to carry anywhere. Long battery life, waterproof, durable, even floats. It have up with EQ is a nice bonus, and extra features like TF card support. And if I have to mention some negatives, the bass is limited, not great at high volume, and this is not for a big spaces or big rooms. But that's all. So let's wrap this up, guys. The TRIBIT PocketGo. It's simple, super portable and just easy to live with. not trying to replace bigger speakers, but for everyday use, travel, or just something you can grab instantly. It actually does the job really well. I'll drop the link in the description if you wanna check it out for yourself. And thanks for TRIBIT to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. It was a pleasure to testing it, and it's a pleasure to use it, and I'm 100% I will use it in the future. So I absolutely recommend that, guys, because the price is just awesome. Go and check them out for yourself. So it was Akos from ATechFlow, it was a speaker from TRIBIT, and I'll catch you in the next video. Oh yeah. Peace.